there, this is Kim with a cup of content back with another espresso shot. And in this episode, we're going to talk about how to change or revert back to the classic editor in WordPress. You may need to do something like this if you accidentally or you actually did update to the new WordPress 5.0 and have now enabled the Gutenberg editor onto your WordPress website. And if you are like me and you work in a different kind of theme that has its own builder, like Divi, which is what I'm using here by Elegant Themes, then you're going to definitely want to learn how to revert back to the classic editor so it does not inhibit your website by any means. So right now you're going to see on my screen that I have the WordPress 5.0 installed and I am not able to see my Divi Builder. Now I could click Edit with Divi Builder, but what's going to happen is I'm going to have to do that on every single page of my website in order to work on those pages. So instead of doing that, we can do it globally. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually install the WordPress plugin called Classic Editor. And this is actually maintained by the WordPress team. So it is a legitimate plugin that you can trust. So back over on our website here, we're going to go over to the plugins. We're going to click Add New. And then we're going to search for that plugin. So I'm going to type in Classic Editor, and it should be the first one that pops up. As you can see, it's by WordPress contributors, and that's definitely the one that we're looking for. So I'm going to click Install Now, and then I'm going to click Activate. Once I have the plugin activated, I am going to click on its settings. And what we're given here in the settings is a couple of features, a couple of options that we can choose from. You can choose to select a category for whatever you want to do. You can select a post format, any of that stuff. And then this is kind of the important part right here is, do you want the default editor for all users to be the block editor, which is Gutenberg, or the classic editor? And so I'm going to stick with the classic editor because I want to get my themes native builder features back into my control. And then if you want to, depending on if you're someone who does websites for someone else, or if you've got other people who use your site and may not know how to switch the feature on and off, you can choose here whether you want to allow users to switch editors. And so I'm going to leave that at no. And then I'm just going to click Save Changes. Now I can go back to my page and take a look at what happened. And so here we are back at that same page we were looking at the beginning, and I have my full Divi Builder available to use. So that would be how you disable the Gutenberg editor very simply within just a matter of seconds on your WordPress website. If you have any questions, send me a message down in the comments or email me at hello@acupofcontent.com and I will get back to you. Thanks for joining me.